Hello everyone, let's see how to solve overheating problem of an Samsung 500p notebook or a laptop. First of all, remove the battery. Remove this one screw here. Push the compartment door backside this way. Here you can see the mark or arrow mark. Push it back, take it out. Remove the screw for DVD writer. Pull it or push it from here. Two. One. Remove these 3 screws for removing the hard disk, and one more is here. 4 screws. Remove 1, 2, 3 and 4 screws. Just pull this gently. Disconnect them. Don't pull it by wires, break them. This is the hard disk. Here you can push the DVD from here gently. DVD writer. So just go on, remove it from here this way. And here this side, careful with the headphone socket. 3.5 mm socket, that one. And here there is one more lock. Inside here there is a lock. This part, just remove it carefully. This way, just take it out. After removing the back cover or the bottom case, just remove these 7 plus 1, 8 screws. Actually already I cleaned it, but I want to demonstrate it once again to you as the overheating problem is solved after cleaning. Take the fan and all heatsink out. As you can see, the heatsink paste is dried up, so we will clean it and apply new paste. Now keep the laptop aside, notebook aside, and as you can see there are 3 screws. That one is here below this, 2, and one more is here, 3. We need to remove these 3 screws. Remove these 3 screws. Just pull this fan, just tilt it in this way. Here. Actually there was a lot of dust. They are cleaned already, but still you can see some dust on the fan pins here. So just go on cleaning it. Blow air. If you have a blower, it is better, it will clean up very nicely. So try to pull the fan gently, don't force, and see that you will not break any of the pins. If you break any of the pins, the fan will start wobbling and there won't be sufficient cooling. As you can see, this fan has come out, these pins have come out easily. In some cases it will be locked, there will be a lock beside below. See that if it is not coming easily, don't pull it, just clean it there itself. See, you can see dust here, lot of dust. Clean it. Here you can see it's clean now. Same way. After cleaning it, fix it back here in this hole slowly. If the fan is shaking and it's having some play, that some noise you will hear, means just take it out, apply some white grease to this and to this part and insert it back. Now close it in this way gently. If you are not able to close it easily, don't force it, you will break. See that here it may be getting stuck here in this part, so gently push it inside. After fixing it, take these 3 screws, fix all 3 screws. Just don't rotate it too much because the base is of plastic, brittle plastic, the threads will break easily. After that, just clean the surface here. Take your laptop. Okay. Clean processor as well as graphics chip. If your laptop has graphics chip, clean that also. Here, the glass part. Take the heatsink compound. Apply a thin layer. Spread it evenly. After applying the heatsink compound, just fix the fan and heatsink. The screw count is written on the heatsink itself. This 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7. Just 1. Don't fasten it, just fix them first. Then we will tighten them. Okay, now go on tightening. 1, 2. First only if you tighten first screw, it will be difficult to fasten the second screw, to fix the second screw, and gradually so on. Fix the fan connector, don't forget to connect it. If you forget to connect it again, you will start facing the overheating problem. and one more screw is here. Clean the part below this motherboard if possible, if you have removed it. And see here also there will be a lot of dust accumulated, so you need to clean that also. After cleaning it, just fix the bottom case in this way gently. Here there are headphone sockets and USB socket. Go on fixing it, pressing it. Here this way. Okay, now go on fastening the screws. CVD writer. Hard disk drive. Fix the connector here. As you see, the metal parts should face outwards this way. The big screw at this part and two tiny screws here. Hope this video has helped you in solving overheating problem in your Samsung laptop or a notebook. If this video has helped you and was useful, kindly hit the like icon, share the video and subscribe to our channel if you are not yet subscribed. After fixing this, let's take your back compartment door, clean it as well. As you can see, lot of dust. Place it in this way, push it inside, and here final screw. Insert the battery and the laptop is ready. Hope this video is useful for you. Kindly hit the like icon, share the video and subscribe to our channel if you are not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.